harder to be able to trust where the information is coming from. We've also got active information warfare happening all the time.
The Investigative Art and Design Workshop, led by Charles Rees and Marisa Katz from the Center for Artistic Inquiry and Reporting.
You've had to think laterally in order to be able to get results you want.
Questions, the who, what, where, when, why, and how are key and remain key for every news story.
Jake and Marisa invite us to dive into the latest investigative practices, explore how these methods are being incorporated across the fields of art, design, filmmaking, and photography.
Is there a way to make this overwhelming lexicon of images, but yet still tells the story in enormously powerful ways?
That I would recommend is that you create a research profile.
A lot of it was connected in ways that you might not even realize you're being tracked.
And discover the emerging trends and tools that are informing the aesthetics of contemporary investigations.
And they managed to find a load of secret US military bases just looking at Strava maps. Have any of you used the Wayback Machine before?
Follow our channel for more information.